Welcome! In this video, we will be showing you how to unsuspend your Vircle Club subscription. Your Vircle Club subscription is suspended if payment is missed for 5 days after the billing period. What happens when your Vircle Club subscription remains suspended? If you are a parent who uses Vircle exclusively for its Visa services, you will no longer be able to transfer funds into your child's profile. In addition to that, your child's Visa card will be disabled. Please note that you have a 6-month-long grace period to renew your Vircle Club subscription. In the event your grace period ends, your child's Visa card will be permanently terminated and cannot be recovered. Here's how to unsuspend your Vircle Club subscription. Open the Vircle app. In the home screen, look under Family Accounts and select your child. Select Manage Card and select the Visa card banner. Select Club Subscription. You will see the suspended icon if your Vircle Club subscription is under suspension. Before reactivating your subscription, please make sure your principal wallet has sufficient balance to make the payment. You will encounter a window prompting you to top up your wallet if there is insufficient balance in your principal wallet to confirm the renewal. Once there is sufficient balance in your principal wallet, tap on Renew Now. You will see this window if you have successfully renewed your Vircle Club subscription. Now that your Vircle Club subscription is active, Visa features will be accessible, including the ability to transfer funds into your child's Visa card. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you in renewing your Vircle Club subscription. Check out our other tutorial videos to explore our amazing features, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Sign up for Vircle today and empower your child's financial journey.
Vircle, let your kids pay.